Good writing is your secret weapon at work, at school, and life. It helps people understand your message quickly and without confusion. More importantly, it helps them act on your message just as fast. Think of clear writing as a bridge between your idea and your reader's mind. A well-built bridge is sturdy, direct, easy to cross. A poorly built one is wobbly, confusing, might even collapse, leaving your message stranded. This guide is your blueprint for building strong, clear bridges with your words. It offers simple, practical tips that you, as a student or a professional, can start using today. These tips are designed for the real world of business communication. Critical emails, formal reports, quick, instant messages. Why should you invest time and care into your writing? The answer is simple. Bad writing has real consequences. It wastes time and money, while clear writing builds trust, shows competence, and gets results. The first rule of good business writing is to be a good human. Ground your writing in proper etiquette. Be kind, polite, and respectful in every message. Use a calm, professional tone, even when delivering bad news or addressing a problem. Focus on solving issues, not assigning blame. Present objective facts and constructive solutions. Do not let anger seep into your words. People are more receptive to feedback when it is delivered with respect. Instead of writing, "You really fouled up that report," which is accusatory and unhelpful, write, "Let's review what went wrong so the next report goes smoothly." Not, "I'm tired of all the mistakes," but proofreading posts carefully helps us avoid mistakes that could hurt our brand. Adopt the you attitude. Put your reader first and frame the message from their perspective. Use the word you more than I or we when appropriate. Company-centric, "We are pleased to announce our new flight." Reader-centric, "Now you can fly Montreal-Toronto every hour." Company-centric, "Our company produces styles." Reader-centric, "You can choose from several gorgeous styles." The you attitude builds trust, sounds helpful, and makes messages shorter and clearer. It turns a monologue into a conversation and helps you truly connect with your audience. Enhance engagement, relationships, and tone by writing for the reader, not for yourself. Once you have a reader-focused mindset, consider the mechanics of your sentences. One key choice is between the active voice and the passive voice. In active voice, the subject performs the action. It is direct, strong, and clear. Active voice tells the reader exactly who is doing what, with energy and momentum. Example: Jody sent the email. Active and concise. Passive: the email was sent by Jody. Longer and less direct. The object becomes the subject. Sometimes the actor is pushed to the end or omitted entirely. Passive has uses when the actor is unknown, unimportant, or should be de-emphasized. For tactful delivery of bad news, passive can soften the blow. Active: the leader misappropriated funds. Passive: those funds were misappropriated. The passive focuses on the event. For most business writing, emails, memos, reports, presentations default to active voice. Reserve passive for formality, object focus, or impersonal tone, such as in scientific reports. Do not let sentences just happen. Choose between active and passive to control tone, clarity, and precision. Choose intentionally to craft messages that are powerful and precise. Great writing is how you assemble words into sentences and paragraphs. Use a healthy mix of the 4 basic sentence types to keep readers engaged. Simple: 1 main clause. Example: the meeting starts at 10 a.m. Compound: 2 main clauses joined by and, but, or a semicolon. Complex: 1 main clause plus dependent clause, yes. Example: if you have questions, please contact HR. Compound complex: 2 main clauses with at least 1 dependent clause. Build strong paragraphs. 1 main idea, usually stated in a topic sentence. Support it consistently with relevant details. Develop paragraphs with illustration, comparison or contrast, cause and effect, or problem and solution. Guide readers with transitions within and between paragraphs. Use however, therefore, in addition, and for example to improve flow and clarity. In today's world, your office is wherever your phone is. A huge portion of your audience will read on small screens, often on the go and distracted. Optimize for scannability. Make messages easy to digest at a glance. Put your main idea first, in the subject line and first sentence. Use very short paragraphs, 1, 2, or 3 lines, to create white space. Use bulleted or numbered lists instead of long blocks of text. Emphasize key thoughts at the beginning or end of a paragraph. Give critical facts their own short, simple sentence for impact. Use the inverted pyramid. Most crucial info at the top, then details, then background. Respect your reader's time. Let them grasp the point immediately and read more if they have time. Once your structure is set, polish your prose. Your credibility hinges on word choice, tone, and respect for the reader. Be honest, fair, and knowledgeable, with awareness of audience needs. Prefer clear, familiar, concrete words to jargon or puffery. Good grammar and careful proofreading show respect for your reader's time. Aim for conversational yet professional. Avoid slang, oversharing, and risky humor. Replace vague abstractions with specifics. We will answer all customer emails within 24 hours. Use bias-free language. Avoid assumptions. Use singular they in generic references and neutral job titles. Say, he uses a wheelchair, not, he is confined to a wheelchair. Reframe negatives into solutions. It's impossible today becomes, your vacuum will be ready by Tuesday. Positive tone gets better results. We covered the you attitude, sentence structure, word choice, mobile writing, and tone. Put readers first. Default to active voice. Build clear paragraphs with transitions. Format for mobile. Use clear, concrete, bias-free language. Your CTA. Pick one email today. Rewrite with the you attitude, convert passive to active, shorten paragraphs, and ask for feedback. Start small. Edit more. Keep writing. Your readers and your career will thank you. Subscribe for more writing lessons.